Oh, okay.
What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz back here with another video. Tonight we are in the garage with Danny's UX200. We're putting a lip kit on this thing tonight. If you guys know Mike, the guy who did the bodywork on the R32, is a SR240 from a couple years ago. He painted the lip kit that is going on this thing, and we're tossing it on. So without further ado, let's get right into tonight's video.
Oh, yeah.
What type of kit is this? What's going on here?
Nia Auto Salon kit.
Nia Auto Salon, and they're like a Lexus company, right?
Yeah, they mainly make Lexus kits. I know they make Toyota. I mean the BRZs, FRS.
Okay.
And like some other. I think they make one for Scion. I think they make one for like a Cube. But yeah, they make a lot of kits.
It's a lip kit, right?
Yeah. I got front lip, side skirts, rear spats, and rear diffuser.
Dude, that's hella. How much was it? What's the damage?
So I got this primer because I didn't know if I wanted to paint match it or paint it black.
No, that's smart.
But primered was like 1,700.
Okay.
I think. Which is not bad.
Yeah, is that after shipping?
Yeah, that's after shipping.
Not bad.
Ryan, what you think? Full kit for a brand new car? 1,700 bucks?
Not bad.
Shipped? Yeah, that was shipped.
And this kit is not giving us any fit up issues.
No.
At all.
What y'all got going so far?
Front lip, we got them before you guys got here. And then he accidentally used the wrong clips for the rear part of the lip.
Okay.
That you're supposed to be using for this to get this up like that. So that's what he's doing on that side.
Are y'all finished with this skirt or just switching them?
It's held on by one, and then we're switching those pieces real quick. And then there's like 6 little ones that go frame rails, pinch welds, whatever the fuck.
That won't be too bad. So here is a look at the paint not in the garage. As you guys can see, this came out so good. Wet sanded, buffed. Mike laid it down. Hopefully you guys can see the flake in this thing as well, but quality. Danny, this lip kit looks pretty aggressive.
Thanks, man. Yeah, this is like.
Hey, Danny, this lip kit looks really aggressive. It's a really good spec kit for your vehicle.
Are you gonna get the little arrow wolf like things for the side?
Fuck no. What do I look like? A fucking.
Yes.
Like, what in the fuck happened, man?
So I've never seen these in my life. Apparently they're called anchor something, anchor clips, anchor whatever.
Yeah.
So like this is the hole, right?
Okay.
I do this and I put it in there, then it does like that. It catches.
Yeah.
You know, it catches, right?
That looks doable.
But like when I spin it, this whole thing spins, so I can't. This is spinning freely in the hole.
You need to hold something down on top of it.
And it needs like friction. So what I've been doing is like pushing the side skirt down on the anchor.
Yeah.
So it like stays, and then I can like do this so it can go in. I already lost one of these in my door because the washer is like slightly bigger than the hole.
Way.
So I tightened it too much, and it just
goes straight through.
It just went in the door, went in the hole. So I lost
like a mess.
But like I don't understand it.
Not a good time.
This is retarded as fuck.
Damn, he got underglow? He got them rock lights, boy?
Guess so.
At that point.
Alright, so Danny now has the front lip done as well as the side skirt. Danny, this shit's low, man.
Yeah.
I'm not even gonna lie. That's like a foot length.
Low.
That shit is, yo, let's see.
Kid low.
Foot check.
Well, I have wood blocks on the other side, but.
Oh, fair. But still impressively low for an SUV, really. I like it a lot. You're gonna be stepping all over this, man. Y'all see this? Y'all see how aggressive this comes out from the door? Here, open it real fast.
Shit, a table. Look at that.
Oh my god, it's a running board, bro. This is 2,500.
I'm about to go surfing with that bitch.
Literally. No, that's sick though. You doing the other side?
Yeah.
Just getting it out the way?
Yeah.
He doesn't like height.
Something great about this kit is there's no drilling, no cutting. It's basically the easiest install ever on paper. It mounts to all of the OEM points for either the skid plate, the side skirt, the front bumper, and even some for the rear bumper, but it makes it a lot easier. So working on the third side right now, and Ryan's working on the back. Here's what the one rear piece looks like. This is the middle one. There are 2 rear winglets. I don't think Ryan figured it out. Waiting for Danny. It looks really good, really aggressive, and I can't wait to see the little side ones as well. Danny's side 2, give us an update, man.
I'm working on it.
Yeah, is it difficult?
Yeah, I'm working on it. But I mean, I got more room now, so it's a little easier. I can see what I'm doing, but
Tedious.
Yeah.
You got it. You got it.
Don't worry, Cap.
I don't know how close you are.
He didn't get those rear spats on or whatever they're called, but No way, dude. No way, Danny. No way, dude. Are we sure this isn't a wagon? Oh my god, that is bright. Yo, what do y'all think of the kid on there?
Just got a kid.
Fitted? They look like they're sagging a bit
like
to you.
Sagging down like that. I wonder if there's a way to fix that. Or if that's just how.
Yeah, Danny, once you get those rear spats on, you're gonna be good. It looks great off of the front bumper. Into the skirts. Sagging a little bit for whatever reason. And then, yeah, you get those corner pieces on, you will be set. Yo, what do y'all think? What do y'all think? All right, let's go to the front instead. We got the little egg car. What you think, man? Foot test? Foot test? It's very low. Look at that. Well, can't go 90 on the highway anymore, bro.
That's just how it is because...
Is that just how it mounts?
Oh, I see.
Because look, the door's right here.
Oh, yeah.
When I close it, you can't drill in the door.
No, smart.
So yeah, that's just how it is. 'Cause, yeah.
You won't notice. So unfortunately the kit didn't come with all of the necessary hardware. They definitely need a couple more plastic clips, probably a couple more self-tappers, even though I didn't have to use some. Danny, what you think, man?
I like it a lot.
Yeah?
I like it a lot.
I do too, dude. It looks fucking really good. SUV as well.
I like the paint match.
That's what gets me.
Right.
I'm glad you went with white over the black.
Yeah, me too, because I've always wanted to paint match a lip kit.
Yeah.
And this is fire.
It's a good choice.
I like this a lot.
That's fire, dude.
Thank you, thank you. I need to put the rear spats on.
100%.